Hey everyone, this is Erin from Dawn's Appliances, and today I have a little bit of a challenge for you. What I want you to do is I want you to go home, or if you're at home, go grab your towels. I want you to throw them in the washer and don't add any detergent. Do you see suds? Probably gonna guess that you will. And here's why. You're using too much detergent. That detergent is sitting in the fibers of your clothes. We, as consumers, are so used to adding a full cap and dumping it in our washer. But in reality, your washer doesn't need that much soap. Detergent itself is already so thick that it's hard to break down and really get all that out of the fibers of your clothes. So where am I going with this? Besides the fact that we're using way too much detergent, in reality, really, this is all you need. Crazy, I know, but everyone has a medicine cap laying around. I challenge you this. Go home or go into your laundry room, grab an old medicine cap and fill it up the whole way. It should look about like this. Sure, you're not gonna walk around smelling like fresh laundry, but your clothes are gonna be a lot cleaner because it's not sitting in the fibers of your clothes and really breaking down the color and the fabric itself. This is something that we sell, it's called Excelsior. You can find it at all of our showrooms, and what I love about this is that it's 6 times concentrated, and it's really going to help break down and really get all of that detergent out, as well as making your clothes clean. It's great for people with sensitive skin as well. My son has sensitive skin, and so we have to be very careful with what we're using in our detergent. So this is really ideal for him. Our locations are gonna have everything from something like this. So I like to say this is like one of those boxes of wine. And I know this looks like a lot, but if you look right here, it has 333 loads available. And when you look at the top, it's also gonna show you how much you really should be filling at. So I challenge you this. Go home or go into your laundry room, throw those towels in. Do you see suds? Let us know. I'd love to hear your feedback. And as always, check out our showrooms to see what kind of detergents we can offer you and what appliances we have for you.